making chicken and shrimp pasta, but one of my ingredients was pesto sauce. Now I never cooked with pesto sauce ever, but I'm gonna try to cook with it today and see how it tastes, see what it's all about. Now I see that it's like it should be in the spaghetti aisle. I'm gonna go to Walmart and get it because that's closer. Like, I was gonna go to the local shop, right, but it's a little bit further out, so I know Walmart got it because I googled it and a couple stores have it, like the grocery stores have it and Walmart. So of course I am going to get it from Walmart, the closest spot. Yep. So I'm here just pulling in. It don't look like it's packed. At least that's a good thing. That is a good thing. Oh, I might get a good parking spot. Yep. Because most of these things be saying reserved. But this one isn't. I'm just running in and running out anyway. So I got a good spot for now. Go run in here and run out. Let me mask up. I still wear my mask, no matter what they say. Oh, everything's safe now. Yeah. All right. Don't believe the hype, y'all, and I'm not gonna believe it either. So hold on. I'm here looking for this pesto. Maybe this is better because there's one left. Let me try that one. I ran in Walmart really quickly and I grabbed more than what I needed, as usual. I forgot my daughter said she wanted a Snicker. Get her a Snicker bar. So I got a little mini bag of Snickers because my son also likes those. So they got the detectives riding through the back roads. That's why I put my phone down. I'm on my phone up all high. But anywho, I bought her I went to Walmart and ended up getting stuff I didn't need, which I got some Reese Puffs. Reese Puffs. I grabbed, like I said, her mini bag of Snickers. Their mini bag of Snickers. Some hot flaming Cheetos, which my son tears these up every time I get them. I be trying to make something with the hot flaming Cheetos, and he always seems to beat me to it. And I told you I was going there for the pesto sauce. Is it pesto sauce? Look. So I got it. I got everything I need. Hopefully, because I did make a store run earlier after work. And guess what? I'm riding around this real curvy road. Oh yeah, I went to the store and I forgot the sauce. I had my mind and my attention on everything I needed, but I forgot the sauce. Hold on. Hey guys, so today I'm making a creamy pesto chicken and shrimp pasta. I'm going to show you guys all the ingredients. So let's get to it. I already have my chicken and my shrimp all cleaned up, washed really good. Okay guys, I'm going to start off seasoning the chicken really good. Use some Creole seasoning. Some Italian seasoning. Some paprika. I'm gonna mix this very well. Hands already washed and clean. Make sure the seasoning is all throughout the chicken. Now mind you, we're gonna add shrimp, but that's later. You know, shrimp don't take long to cook. Alright, this is what I'm going to add for right now, because we're going to add more later, of course. Okay, so next step is adding my seasoned chicken to the hot grease. And letting it brown. Just approximately 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Turn it down a little bit. It is extremely high. Do it a little faster, guys. I already have my water boiling and ready to go. This is for my penne noodles. You can use any noodles you want, and I cook them according to the box directions, which is telling me 11 to 13 minutes. So that's what I'll be doing. Okay, so I'm adding my noodles in. This is a box. I'm gonna actually add a box and a half because we have a big group eating. Actually, it's not a really big group. It's just people that love to eat. That's it, and that's all. Alright, and I'm going to let that cook, stirring it occasionally for 11 to 13 minutes until the tenderness that I like. Okay, my noodles are all done now to my liking. Okay, my chicken is cooking up, as you can see. Almost there. Okay, now my chicken is cooked to my liking. Now I'm going to take it out and put it in a side dish, and then I'm going to add the shrimp. Okay, now guys, I put my shrimp in the same pan without cleaning it that I had the chicken in, and I'm cooking it on each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. And then I'll turn it and do the same thing. Okay, the shrimp are just about done. I'm going to take them out and set them aside as well. Okay, so I added some minced garlic to the pan. Let it get that brown look. Yep, I'll keep all that flavor in there. All that flavor. From the chicken and the shrimp, keep all the flavor. So now what I'm going to add next is some heavy whipping cream. Put it all in there. And I want this to be I want it to be creamy, but I also want it to be a little cheesy. So I'm going to add some more whipping cream, but I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. Okay, so I added some more Parmesan. I added some more heavy whipping cream. just about a cup more. Stir that in. Stir it. I'm going to get some of the, where is that? Basil pesto sauce. And I'm going to add like, let me see, 3 tablespoons. This is my first time making this, guys. First time. Somewhat of a good taste. I'm gonna use this Parmesan cheese for it. Okay, I'm gonna start adding some of the cheese to it. Stir that in. Add some more mozzarella, not mozzarella, the Parmesan cheese to it. And I love mozzarella, so I do want to add about a cup of that. Let's see, that's about a cup. Just to give it that stringy, you know, sensation. And I need some more, another spoon of the pesto. Okay. And I also gotta add some seasonings to this sauce. The same seasonings I had in the beginning. Some Creole seasoning. Some paprika. And some Italian seasoning. Turn this down a little bit. And stir. Look at that. After I get it all mixed in well, I'm going to start adding some of the noodles. And some of the meats, the shrimp and chicken. Really don't matter which order, as long as you mix it all together. And it's if you feel as though you like it a little bit creamier, you can add more heavy whipping cream to it. And taste it and make sure it's what you like. Because I am going to taste it every chance I get. I'm going to taste it and make sure I like it. Oh, I still have this one right here. Okay. Oh yeah, that's good. That is good. Okay. So now I'm going to start adding some of the noodles. Mixing them around. I told you guys I'm trying to fit as much of these noodles in here as I can, because we're gonna, people like to eat here. I don't want to overdo it though. So I don't want to overdo it. So where it's killing the sauce. If so, you just add more whipping cream. That's all. Okay guys, I did add more heavy whipping cream. So heavy whipping cream, more of that means more seasoning. So I add the same seasoning, you know, so everything even out. Now I'm going to start adding the chicken and shrimp. And now I'm not going to use all of it because I want some to add to the top of the dish. Slap it, slap it. And would you look at that? I mean, I did go a little overboard, but it's gonna be delicious. Okay guys, that's the dish. If you like it and you would like to try it out, watch this video over and over until you get it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you'll know when I upload my next video. Until next time, see ya.